So friends, let's start with today's lovely prawn chili fry recipe. Now I'm going to be using 1 cup of prawns which I've cleaned, deveined, 1 medium onion chopped fine, about 1 inch of ginger chopped fine, about 4 cloves of garlic chopped fine, 2 green chilies cut into fours, 1 tomato cut fine, and half a cup of coriander. Also, I'm going to use some haldi powder, some chili powder, and some salt. Now, all the ingredients with their measurements will be in the description box below. So, I'm just going to marinate the prawns with some turmeric or haldi powder, some red chili powder, and some salt, and I'm going to mix it really well, and I'm going to set this aside for about 10 minutes so that the prawns get nicely flavored with the spices and the salt. So after 10 minutes, our prawns are ready to be used. So now I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, and once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add these prawns to the oil, and I'm going to fry them really well on a low to medium flame. So this should take you not more than a minute or two, because prawns really get cooked really fast and fry also very fast. So once they're ready, just take them out in a bowl and set them aside. I'm not using the very large size prawns. These are the between small and medium size prawns. They are full of flavor and they just taste amazing. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add, these are the prawns that I've set aside. So the oil is nice and hot. So to the same pan, I'm going to add my chopped up garlic. Then I'm going to add the chopped up ginger. Next, I'm going to add the green chilies. Now, I always like to use light green chilies, and I've cut them up into fours because they're less spicy yet they're full of flavor. Now, I'm going to fry all of this well till the rawness of the ginger, the garlic goes away. So this should take you about half a minute. You'll get the lovely aroma of the ginger and the garlic and the green chilies. Now once that is done, I'm going to add my chopped up onion. So I've taken a medium sized onion, and I'm going to add that, and I'm going to fry the onion till it turns a little bit translucent. And once it does, I'm going to just cover and cook it for about a minute. Now saute everything well. Now I'm going to add my chopped up tomato. So I've just taken 1 medium sized tomato and cut it up, and I'm going to add that. Then I'm going to add a little bit of the coriander that we chopped, because it really adds a lovely flavor to this bagar. Next, I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder. Now, we already marinated the prawns with, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder. And I'm going to add that, and I'm going to also add a pinch of red chili powder. Because the haldi powder, when you add it to the bagar, it adds a lovely color. And the chili powder also makes it a little bit spicy. Not over the top spicy. And again, we're going to cover and cook this for another minute, because we want our tomatoes to be nice and cooked. And now everything looks great. So now we're just going to add our fried prawns. The aroma in my kitchen is just unbelievable, and it makes me so hungry. I just can't wait for this to get ready. So now just add the prawns and just fry everything together so that everything, gets well incorporated together. Well, I love to have this prawn chili fry just with some plain chappatis, Goan chappatis. I have a recipe for that. I'll link it below. Or you can have this with some sorak, rice, with some lovely mango pickle at the side. So I'll link all those recipes down. So if you want to go and make sorak, you want to make a mango pickle, you can, do that. And now I'm just going to turn off the heat, and I'm just going to add the remaining coriander. Now this coriander also adds a lovely, lovely flavor to this chili fry. And that's it, guys. This chili fry is all ready, and it tastes just amazing. So if you haven't ever had Goan chili fry, prawn chili fry, then you have to give this recipe a try. Do let me know in the comments section below how you like this recipe. I love hearing from all of you and I reply to almost everyone. So I'll catch you soon in my next video. Bye.